the reaction that has come from the Union Health Ministry sources there. They are saying this is not a blame game from centre to state, but Tamil Nadu FDA is not taking action. The question that needs to be asked to Tamil Nadu FDA is why haven't they pressed criminal charges yet, despite the CDSCO's recommendation? Why is the license not cancelled despite the DCGI's clear recommendation? Let's take that question directly to Aniga to understand that. Aniga, you were reading out one report on how the Tamil Nadu government has responded. Now we are hearing from the centre as well. Centre is saying this is not blame game. Their very single pointed question here is, when there was a clear recommendation by the CDSCO to cancel their license, why wasn't that done?
In fact, the health minister says that we have issued a show cause notice, and based on what response gets furnished, based on that action will be taken, and based on that we will press criminal charges, is what Health Minister Ma Subramaniam says. In fact, making it very clear that at the moment we will not really press charges, but based on what reply is furnished by Sreesan Pharmaceuticals to the show cause notice issued, we will then take criminal action, is what he says. In fact, an FIR has been filed by the Madhya Pradesh police, and SIT is formed. They will be nabbing the owner of Sreesan Pharmaceuticals, Mr. Ranganathan Govindarajan. But as to why is it the Tamil Nadu government has not filed any criminal charges, they are saying that we have issued a show cause notice on behalf of Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department, and based on the response, in fact, they've allotted 5 days time to the pharmaceutical company to give a response, and based on the answers furnished by them, criminal proceedings will take place, is what Health Minister Ma Subramaniam has stated.
All right, so the health minister saying in Tamil Nadu they need another 5 days to seek a response, but clearly centre is not very happy with that. Milan Sharma is breaking that story and bringing us the perspective of what the centre has to say here. Milan, go ahead, tell us what exactly is the lag, because as you just heard Aniga bringing out the Tamil Nadu side of the story, she's basically saying that they've done their due diligence, they've given their 5 days to respond, but that's clearly not enough, or is that generally not the protocol? Break it down.
Well, you mentioned that you're talking about the lag. So the lag here is that for 14 years, the check was not done. This particular company was operating in a dingy space in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, and that was not checked by the state drug regulator. Now that we know and we have enough evidence from the centre as well as the state authorities that DEG was in very high levels in cold drift cough syrup manufactured by Sreesan Pharmaceuticals, which is a Chennai-based company, why have the licenses not been revoked? The first thing is perhaps the government has come forward and said that the cold drift cough syrup has been banned for usage. So if the cough syrup has been banned, the FIR has been filed by Madhya Pradesh state. There has been action taken at the centre level. Why has the state of Tamil Nadu not cancelled their license as a first point? So this is what happens. And therefore, these pharmaceutical companies get away with a lot of things because the protocols and the salt combination approvals are taken in the state. Then these companies start selling the same salt combinations in other states, saying that this particular state has given us an approval, so let us market over there. The deaths have happened in Madhya Pradesh. The pharmaceutical company belongs to Tamil Nadu. So the real question is the state drug regulator of Tamil Nadu, despite knowing all the problems here, is still saying we are giving a show cause notice. What good is a show cause notice going to do now when the cough syrup has been banned? The company's license should be cancelled.
But the centre also is not completely scot-free on this one, right? They also need to come out with what exactly were the guidelines, and they should be the one taking the lead and sending those instructions pan-India as well. But thanks, Milan, for bringing out all those details over there.